The National Security Program is a one-week online program organized by Missouri University of Science and Technology. It involves a one-day simulation exercise related to the theme of national security. What we intend to do in this program is to bring together some 20 experts from academia, the corporate world, as well as think tanks from around the country to address how current day technology is impacting the landscape of national security in the United States and around the world. We are looking at such factors as the role of artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, biotechnology, cryptocurrency, 3D printing, how they impact national security in the format of surveillance, the ethical issues that they have given rise to, and how we need to be prepared in playing under the current rules of engagement around the world, dealing with matters of surveillance, food security, viruses, and the like that are a daily reality in this day and age.